Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Liquid crypto trading app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and now just type in Liquid Crypto to begin your search. Once you find the Liquid trading app by Liquid X AI Incorporated, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Keep in mind that this application is an early access. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Liquid crypto trading platform. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will see the open button. You can tap on it to open up the app, or you can also enable the auto open toggle. Now once the application is opened up, you can log into your existing account or sign up to create a new one to start using the Liquid trading app on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Liquid crypto trading platform on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.